Today I'm going to show you how I make a Tina's Messy Punt, which is also Slimming World friendly. First of all, I'm going to trim some strawberries. I'll put them in my colander, ready to be washed. What I tend to do is I cut them in half, cut them in half again. So I'm going to do that with some strawberries. Right, I've prepared my strawberries ready, and here is what I've got. I've got a 10 calorie Arkley's raspberry jelly, which is half a sin, and we're going to actually share that.
You nearly called that a jam then, didn't you?
Yes, I did nearly call it a jam, but it's a jelly. In goes a Muller Light vanilla yoghurt, one of those each, and they're half a sin. 2 meringues, which is 28 calories, so that's 1.5 sins. So Nigel's Eaton Mess is going to be 5 sins, because sprinkled on the top of it is he's having a choco honeycomb hi-fi bar, and on mine, because I haven't had my Alfie Extra B today, I've only got 2.5 sins. If I count the tip jelly as a full half sin for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the strawberries in the bowl, and then I'm going to add the 2 yoghurts. To stir. There's one. There's 2. Put those to one side because they will get washed. And then I'll get the jelly. And what I'm going to do with the jelly is, because we're halving it, I'm going to put half in one dish and the other half in another dish. Then what I do is I break up the meringue, put it in with the strawberry and yoghurt. You do normally, if you have this in a restaurant, they do it with ice cream and fresh cream, but because we're Slimming World people, I do it so there's not as many sins.
I suppose you could use low-fat ice cream, couldn't you?
Yes, I have done it before with Wall's low-fat ice cream, and that works out about 3 sins for your ice cream. And Almalee very low fat cream. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a mixture of that and shove it in each of our dishes. And
of course you're counting that meringue out carefully so we get exactly the right amount each, aren't you?
Well, of course I am. It's potluck.
But it's about right.
But it's about right. Sin wise, it's right for each of us. Make sure I get a bit more rice into Nigel's. And then what I do is I open my hi-fi bars. I'll do mine first so we don't get mixed up. And I just chop them up.
No fingers. I'm not going to A&E.
No, never mind. Hopefully. I do normally cook myself. I'm not very good with big knives, to be honest. And then what I do with mine, I just sprinkle that all over the top, just like that. I will nick a little bit, and that one's mine. And then I know which one's mine because I've got Rocky Road on mine, and you will notice on Nigel's he doesn't have as many, so he's only got the crunchy ones. Stick it on top of Nigel's.
And in fairness, one hi-fi bar on top of
Yeah,
these is plenty.
it's enough. It's just
Yeah.
that because I haven't had my Alfie Extra B today.
Okay, so let's pop them in there. Let's have a look at them.
And there they are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those in the fridge and they will be eaten after we've had our main course. There you go.
Okay, so until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.